Today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make your voice deeper on iMovie. So what you're gonna do is you're going to split your clip, and I'm gonna split it right here again. And so you're gonna press the clip that you want. You're gonna press the clip that you want to be deeper, and then you're gonna press detach. So the sound's going to be detached. And then you're going to press on the little clock. And then you're going to make it to 4.5. Nothing more than that. And press add. And so it looks like this.
Good morning. So I have been wanting to film this video for
looks like this.
It always happens to you. I'm like, and I didn't because I would still have to see this
motherfucker all the time. But now that is not a reality, because he's dead. No, I'm just kidding. He's not dead. But he...
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be putting out another how-to video for my editing. I'll be putting out a how-to zoom in on iMovie. And then I will be putting out a Roblox video. So yeah, stay tuned for that.